Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit. We are on day 22 of our Get Sexy Abs in 30 Days. So how you guys doing? Hope you are enjoying this series and this challenge. Just 6 minutes or so a day. Try to keep it to 6 minutes. But today we have actually 7 moves and 1 bonus move at the end. So make sure you stick around for that. And we're going to be doing intervals of a 10-second hold, 35 seconds of singles, and then back to that 10-second hold. So let's get going. We're going to start on the floor and get to my little Tabata timer here. So the first one that we're going to be doing are jackknives on one single side. So if you just find your length on the floor and really just stretch it out, take a deep breath in. I'll go ahead and start the timer. So we're going to take the left leg up, reach up, and hold it for 10 seconds. I'll let you know. Good job. Now singles, go up and all the way down. So try to really reach. The more you reach, the higher you reach, the more strength you'll build. And for the last 10 seconds, we're gonna do that static hold. So right now we're just focusing on one side. 5 more seconds of singles, guys. You got this. And hold it up, hold it here. Find that sweet spot, shoulders back and down. Make sure that spine is straight and long. Slowly let it go. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale it up as high as you can. Arms reach out straight, and you just have that nice static hold here. There we go. Now singles. Exhale on the exertion. Arms come back by your ears and overhead. So just reach it up and out. Try to get as high as you can. Definitely get those shoulder blades off the floor. You don't have to go as high as I'm going. This is level 2 and 3. But in 5 seconds, we're gonna hold it at your own level. So even if you're here, you hold it right now. Just keep breathing, but keep that static hold. 3, 2, good job. So from here, guys, we're gonna do Tick-Tocks. So put your hands under your hips for some leverage, just to make sure that you're supported. Your feet are flexed, your feet are together, your legs are together, and you're moving up and down, almost like a pendulum would. And forgot that static hold in the beginning, which means we'll be doing 20 seconds of a static hold with this one. And I bet you're wondering, is she gonna hold on the up or the down? We'll see. We're gonna hold here for 10. So 45 degrees, it's up to you whether you wanna keep your head and neck off the ground or not. And in the last 10 seconds, come up and hold it. Your hips should be high. You should be crunching that lower abdominal in. And you have made it through that one. Come the side plank, you guys. Forearm parallel with the mat. Lift the hips up. Now hold this tight engagement here. Level 1, you can stagger the feet. Level 2, keep them together. Level 3, you guys go for it if you want to take that one leg up. And now we do singles. Down and up, and really make sure that you're squeezing on the way up. Yes, I am wearing one earring. I'm starting a new trend. I just saw it in the corner of my eye. What happened to the other one? It's okay. All right, so we're gonna hold it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up here, hold it in. Really engage that oblique. You can do this, you guys. Open your chest, make sure you're not collapsing. Breathe, and We're gonna just switch it to the other side. Go ahead and come up into that forearm side plank. And as you engage, stay here. We got a couple more seconds left in this first static hold. And now down and up. You can put your hand behind your head, your fingertips behind your head, or on your hip. Or if you want to elongate that arm, there's lots of things. You can keep the arm up. It really doesn't matter because we're focusing on the obliques, guys. So take your level and make sure that you commit. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Hold it in that static hold. Really tighten it up, guys. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And you're done with that one. So from here, we're gonna flip it back around and do mermaid. So hold it on the up. Hold your static crunch and start to single it out. Now you can always modify these if you can't get both legs up, or if you can and you want to bring it up, make sure that you're really squeezing your belly button to your spine. So a lot of times when we're doing abs, we have the tendency to puff out our belly. We want to make sure to hold it in. And we have 2 seconds. And now we're holding here, guys. Hold it here. So strong. I know you're doing so good. You got it. And relax. One more on the other side. And then special treat, bonus move. So again, if you have to modify, you can just take that one arm in. We're holding it here, static hold for 5 more seconds. Good. Now down and up. We have singles for about 30 seconds. We are so close to being done. And those abs are getting chiseled every single day. I'm loving the comments. I'm just happy to be here for you guys. We have about 5 seconds of singles and we are holding right now. Hold it static. Breathe deep. Don't sink into your shoulder. Push into the forearm. Good job. Bonus move. Forearm plank, dolphins. This should feel really good for you to stretch it out. So come on the balls of your feet and come into plank. Level 1 and 2. Level 1, you can keep both feet down. Level 2 and 3, you can raise one leg up, come down, bring it up, down, and now switch legs. So because this is more of a fluid movement, we'll be holding at the very end. So keep sucking those abs in nice and tight. Really feel that oxygen coming in and out of the body. 5 seconds here. Hold it in plank. Awesome job, you guys. Woo! Good job. I'm telling you what, these do keep getting harder because you're getting stronger. So you can't expect to change without doing anything, just like you can't expect to do something and expect nothing to change. So every time you engage in something that's good for you or a change, you want to keep challenging yourself. What's next? What's next? And small, steady doses. So I hope you're really starting to see results. We have an amazing transformation program coming very soon. So if you're not seeing those results, when you shed away the fat that's on top, you'll be able to see what's underneath, all this great strength that you guys have been building with me. Thank you for showing up. Don't forget to comment, leave a comment, and tap that bell. Subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Have a great day.